got some coals going just to get a bed. Just brought out the little one today. My garage sale find. There's my smoking buddy Anakin, as always. We are doing something different today that I've never done. Smoked Birria egg rolls. This will be a 3 different process cook. I will be smoking some chuck roast in the smoker for about 3 hours. Then I will be putting it into a braising liquid that I made and braising it in the oven for about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and then pulling it out and putting it in egg roll shells and deep frying it. So this will be different. Seen it on TikTok. It was a short. I said, you know what, let's try it. So that's what we're gonna do today, huh, Anakin? Coals are getting there. I will say it is a very chilly 23 degrees here in Northeast Ohio. But we'll get it done. Ain't that right, girl? We'll get it done. There's our chuck roast. It's been seasoned for about an hour. And we're getting ready to put it on the pit. To move it over here. Little apple and cherry wood. Yep, my finger got in the way. Sorry. Bigger pieces in back. Again, this is a complete new thing for me. I've made Birria, but I've never done it this way. So we'll see how this goes. Don't mind that, it's just aluminum pan. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully it'll work. Here's a little update. I have removed the water pan. And I'm going to kick up the fire just a little bit with some apple wood and a chunk of cherry. Just so I can get a little bit of the char on the chuck roast. Because who doesn't love char? Once I get the char and the color that I like, that's when it'll go in the pan with the braising liquid and in the oven for about 2 hours. Alright, we are ready ready to pull the meat. Don't mind, I was just warming up my beer. I got the color that I wanted. It's looking good. It is getting ready to go in a pan, take it in the house, and it'll go in the braising liquid. Be right back. Alright, we're now going to put the chuck roast Birria into the braising liquid. And then it will go in the oven. For about 2 hours, 3 hours. This is not the exact recipe that I seen, but I had my own little twist. Alright, I'm going to cover this and it'll go in the oven. Alright, we pulled it out of the oven. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Move it over here. Let it cool down just a bit.
Well, is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Ballin'.